This morning, an Oklahoma County grand jury filed a report Thursday criticizing the actions of Pardon and Parole Board members, Governor Kevin Stitt, and Oklahoma legislature. Soon as Oklahoma obtained the 65-page report from nondoc.com, and Caitlin Rivas joining us now with all the details.
Corey, good morning. The grand jury met 17 times and issued 65 subpoenas for testimony and records. It heard from witnesses, including former and current board members, former and current executive directors, as well as legal counsel for the board. Grand jurors say Governor Kevin Stitt's actions regarding his appointees to the board have been grossly improper, and that the board's commutation process was focused on increasing the number of cases heard, in turn having a, quote, huge impact on public safety. The report says board members met with the governor before taking their seats or taking the oath of office. It states such a meeting violates the spirit of the Open Meetings Act and clearly rendered the future board less than independent. The governor of Oklahoma should studiously refrain from directing his board appointees as to the manner in which they should vote as board members once they are appointed or thereafter. The grand jury is unable to find anything in public records from testimony that describes some change in Anderson's circumstances over those 7 months. The governor has 3 of 5 appointees on the board. The grand jury's findings state the board lacks transparency and objectivity, and that for several years, procedures designed as safeguards were ignored in order to speed up the commutation process and to increase the number of commutations that were being heard and recommended. The report singles out the commutation case of Lawrence Paul Anderson. We'll continue to dig deeper into this report throughout the morning here on 2 News Oklahoma. Corey?